Get him. Watch this. This is funny as hell. Officer, get in. We just got away from the cops. I bought a police car from the future. I bought a police car from the future. Dude, this is so funny. The way I use it, I need to help him out. Because he's related to me. Officers believe it too. They're like, I'm just like, officer, get in. Oh man, it's funny. I need to help him out because he's family. He didn't do nothing. He got in trouble with tax invasion. Someone really got killed and they blamed him, but it wasn't him. It was a rogue clone. So I'll help him out.